Hey guys, I'm Dario Cotronio, founder of DCI Education. Wow, thank you so much. All the responses, the hundreds of email applications that were received for access to our online program has been truly inspirational. The stories that we've received have been really heartfelt and really moving, so thank you very much. For those that haven't seen this yet or understood what we're offering, is that we come up with an idea of how we can give back to the industry. And the best way we can do that right now is absolutely open up our online streaming service free of charge for the entire global hairdressing industry. So that's about 103 step-by-step videos ranging from classic cutting to contemporary cutting, and the same with color, classic color, contemporary color, and advanced color and balayage techniques. We've also extended this to our past Elevate programs and mentor programs. So that alone is about 61 videos in itself, and they're very current right up until the end of last year. Like I said, this is absolutely for free and complimentary for the next 6 months. And we're doing this to bring some joy to people's lives that are in either isolation or doing it a bit tough. Really thinking about you. We really care about our fellow peers and industry friends, and we thought we just want to bring you some love and joy and kindness, and this is the best way we feel we can bring that to you. So if you'd like to apply for access to our online streaming service, it's really easy. All you have to do is email myself at dario@dcieducation.com. So that's dario@dcieducation.com. Now when you email me, you can share what salon you work for, what city you're from, and what country you're from. And then in about 72 hours, we'll reply to you with access. So please be patient. And all those people that have already applied that you haven't heard from us yet, please be patient. We have just been overwhelmed with hundreds and hundreds of applications. Today, I think alone we granted about 300 people access, and we've still got a big backlog, which we will all get through in due course. But we're absolutely inspired by the conversation we're having with people. And guys, I just want to ask one favor, please share this with as many hairdressers as possible. For us at the moment, it's about connecting with as many people around the globe to let them know that we're here, we're open, and we're coming from a real genuine place and intention of kindness. On behalf of everyone at DCI, myself, take care, be kind, and I'll speak to you very soon. Cheers.